Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how to create free account on Zoho projects. If you want to maintain, track and collaborate your project, you can create an account on Zoho projects. It is a project management tool, that too online project management tool. First, to create the account, you need to browse through zoho.com/project. See here, this is the URL. What I'll do is I'll drop the link in the description, this URL. You can browse through this, and right at here you can click on sign up now in order to register a free account on Zoho projects. So you need to enter your company details here. Okay, I'll first enter company name, then followed by the company email, password, then phone number. And if you read the terms and policy, if you're okay with this, you can check here and you can sign up. I'll just quickly fill and I'll get back to you. See here, I have entered the company name. This is my website. For example, this is my company or the product, or this is a services company or a production company, whatever it may be. I'm just registering this with this company name. Okay, it is saying that tech answer is not available. Okay, it is saying that tech answer is not available, so I need to extend the name to something else, tech tech answer private limited or something like that. You can give another name. See, okay, tech answer 123 is available. This is the URL where I can manage my online project management tool, and I have given my email ID, then password, followed by the phone number, also your phone number. And if you're okay for the terms and conditions, you can click on sign up. I'll just enter my phone number, I'll click on sign up and I'll get back. See here, there is a one time password has been sent to my phone number. I need to enter here and I'll click on verify. So this is to verify your phone number. So once you verify the phone number, it will lead you to the dashboard of your Zoho projects. So this is the dashboard of my freshly created Zoho projects account. From here I can click on continue. You can check few options here. So this is my dashboard. Yeah, create a project from a template, create your own project, start a product tour. What I'll do is I'll do this create your own project in the next video. If probably once I complete, I'll drop that link in the description. You can check that. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.